Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will discuss about data query language. Now let's look into the definition of data query language. The main purpose of the data query language is to display the data that is present in the database. Here the meaning of the word retrieve is to extract, to show or to display. In data query language we have three different statements. They are projection, selection and joins.
Now let's discuss about projections. If we want to display a particular column present in the database, we use projection statements. In projection, the entire data present in the column will get displayed by default. In the same way, we use selection statement if we want to display rows from the database. We can also include columns based on our conditions. So in the definition, I had mentioned as both rows and columns. In the next slide, you will get more clarity about this.
What is the difference between selection and projection statements? Let's go and see it. In projection, we select the column names that need to be displayed. In selection, we select the row names that need to be displayed. Here in the query, select A, B, C from the four-ball where x is equal to 3. A, B, C are names of the columns. So it is a projection part, and x is the name of the row, so it is selection part. We are using the condition x is equal to 3. So based on the row condition, the data present in the rows and columns will get displayed. Have a look on the syntax of the projection. After the word select, we need to write the column names that need to be displayed. The below query will display the entire table. In the place of asterisk, if we write animal foot count day, then the two columns will be displayed. Have a look on the syntax of the selection. After the word where, we had written condition, that is number of animals greater than 7. That means all the rows that has the value greater than 7 will get displayed. Finally, we can say that selection displays the rows. Now let's go on to the joins. Joins help us to display data from multiple tables simultaneously. There are 5 types of joins. They are cross join, inner join, outer join, self join, natural join. In outer join, we have 3 types. They are left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. We will discuss briefly about this in next video.